Welcome to ThemeNcode. Today I'm going to show the best PDF viewer plugin for WordPress. First of all, we need to know how can we get that. Okay, in this era, people search everything on Google. Let's search it on Google. Here is the result. Let's click on first website, which is codecanyon.net. At this Code Canyon, we found the plugin PDF viewer for WordPress. Let's have a look. This plugin generates almost 7,197 sales. It's huge. Published by ThemeNcode. Recently updated. Here is the item details, reviews, lots of comments and support. PDF Viewer for WordPress is the best selling premium PDF reader plugin for WordPress on Code Canyon since 2014. Almost 9 years. With this plugin, you can display and embed PDF files of your WordPress website with a modern PDF reader and FlipBook. Use it for any kind of PDFs like ebooks, invoices, players, browsers, product catalog, product manuals, product documentation, and so on. PDF Viewer for WordPress comes with two standalone features, the regular PDF reader and a special FlipBook mode PDF reader. You are getting both features at the price of one, and this is the best and affordable PDF viewer with FlipBook for WordPress. Why should you choose PDF viewer for WordPress? Because it fully responsive PDF reader, fully responsive FlipBook mode, easily customizable, lots of toolbar items and controls, no size or file number limit at all. Pay once, get lifetime updates, cross browser and OS compatible, fast and smooth, well documented, strong customer support, and so on. So, if you have a WordPress website and also you need a PDF viewer plugin for your website, this plugin is best fit for your website. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with ThemeNcode and thanks for watching.